Hello everyone, my name is Dale Richards. I'm here in Oklahoma City with George and his EL group graduating with customer focus. Patrick participated today. How did you enjoy your experience? Tell me a little bit about your company, what you do, and your experience with Vistage in your EL group.
Sure. My name is Patrick Mitchell. I work for Eucalyptus Real Estate. They're based out of Oklahoma City. We're in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. I've been with George now for a few years, and I love it. It's been a big influence and inspiration to me. All of the different speakers that come in every month when we meet. The groups are very interactive, so it's good to get other people's interpretations, their viewpoints, and the feedback. Which the feedback is always helpful because.
Yeah,
I'm here
for
to
sure.
improve, and I want to improve. I want my company to do better so I can do better, and kind of that whole snowball effect.
And I really felt that you were engaged to trying to do that and learn about what you did. We picked up a few things like the 80-20 rule today,
Right.
on customer focus and active listening. And I have the privilege of speaking over 500 times to about 10,000 Vistage members. And I want to tell you, the best decision you will make in your life is to join a Vistage group. Find a Vistage group in your area. You will have the opportunity to learn and grow both personally, but for your business. I highly recommend it. I was a chair for 8 years. My members had a 5 to 10x increase in value over that time that I was a chair with them. It's a great opportunity. I love speaking. I love being part of the Vistage group. It's a great benefit, and you were awesome today, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for that. And George, thank you, sir.